Welcome to the Leading Site News.
Diphu Diocese celebrates Vestition ceremony for 6 brothers. In the joyous celebration, the Diphu Diocese marked a significant milestone in the journey of 6 brothers towards priesthood. The Vestition ceremony, graced by the presence of Bishop Paul Matikat, along with priests, religious, and nuns, was a testament to the brothers' dedication to their vocation. Bishop Paul Matikat's presence added solemnity and joy to the occasion, underscoring the importance of the ceremony. The brothers donned cassocks, reaffirming their commitment to serve God and the Church. The congregation prayed for the brothers' continued growth in faith and service, seeking God's blessing for their journey towards priesthood. As the brothers embark on this new chapter in their lives, they are reminded of the importance of servant leadership, fidelity, and spiritual growth. May they be guided by the principle of their faith and inspired by the example of their spiritual mentors. Stay tuned for more updates. The Leading Site News.